How to repair BOSCH Error 090 Dryer Series 8. Error E090 indicates that the dryer has a problem in the motor, the communication with it, or a problem in the boards that control it. Here the repair is more complicated, but not impossible. If you are not interested in repairing the boards, you can replace them with new one. This is the first main board. On this board, there happens to be a problem in this relay. You need to check it. If the central board works correctly, it should be checked for a problem with the board that controls the inverter motor. Here it is clearly seen that there was a short circuit, and that is the problem. Those pads on the circuit board that have broken play the role of fuses. Here we have a short circuit in the bridge rectifier. Need to be replaced. After the replacement, you must also restore the pads on the board that are interrupted. The capacitor should also be checked for proper operation. After replacing the elements on the circuit board and cleaning the dryer, it is ready to work again. Subscribe.